Oh no, poor Grover. He could not get his order in on time because he couldn't think of a rhyme. Well, friends, thankfully, that's not how we order at restaurants. Otherwise, we would never get our food on time and we would be hungry. But just like Grover, we need to practice our rhymes. Rhymes are a very important thing in kindergarten. Not only do they help us read and write, it's also one of the tools in our poetry toolbox. So on the board, I wrote the word rhymes. And I want to remind you, friends, what is a rhyme? Can you tell me? Right, friends. A rhyme is when words have the same ending sound. For example, if I have a word, ha, and I add a t at the end, hat, hat. It's a hat. I have ma. What sound do I have to add at the end to make it rhyme with hat? R, mat, mar? No. What about S? Mass. Hat, mass. No, you're right. I don't like that either. What was that, friends? T? Let's try T. Mat. Mat. Okay, so let's say it together. Ready? Hat, mat. Does that rhyme? Yes, it rhymes. We also have this word bow, bow. And I want to add an X at the end. So now it becomes box, box. Can you say that with me? Box. So what do I have to add at the end? What sound do I have to make sure it has to rhyme with box? I have fa, fa. Fox, the X. X, x. We have box and fox. Well, I want to make sure this one rhymes too. So do I just add the X also? Socks. Well, it does rhyme, but socks, S-O-X, is not quite a word. And that's what I want to remind you today, friends. Just because the word rhymes doesn't mean it has to be written exactly the same. And actually, socks is written with a C and a K and then an S at the end. Socks, socks. It's those things you wear on your feet. Socks. And notice how each of these words still rhymes. Box, fox, socks. That's cool. That's a rhyme. So what I'd like to do today is I'd like to practice with you our rhymes. I have some rhyming work here in Schoology that we'd love for you to complete and use. And make sure when you're working on your rhymes, you say them out loud because it doesn't sound the same in your head as when you say it out loud. So we can start working on this very important tool that we have in our poetry toolbox, which is rhymes. We don't want to end up like Grover and spend too much time trying to think of rhymes. Practice makes better. And we want you to practice. Have fun practicing with your rhymes today, friends. Bye.